Welcome to our video demo on how to use the search feature in www.icd10cm-codes.com. The ICD10CM Codes is a user-friendly web tool where you can find the right diagnosis code by typing in a diagnosis description, abbreviation, or code in the search bar. It's designed for healthcare professionals and medical coders to easily and quickly access reliable ICD-10 data. You can start using the tool by visiting www.icd10cm-codes.com. Once you're on the web page, you will see the search bar, where you can type the diagnosis description. When you start entering it, you will see up to top 10 results, along with the diagnosis codes. For example, if you start typing D-I-A-B for diabetes, it will give you suggestions related to diabetes in a drop-down. To move through the options, just use the up and down arrows on your keyboard. When you find what you're looking for, press enter or use your mouse to select it. In case your search results give you more than 10 items, the tool will expect you to enter more characters. If there is no match, it will show you no match. Now, for the diagnosis codes, anything written in regular font will take you to a page with all the details you need about the diagnosis code. If you want to seek a specific diagnosis code, focus on the ones in bold. They will help you seek the code you need faster. You need to choose the required diagnosis code, and upon accessing the code page, it gives you the detailed information associated with a specific code. The diagnosis flags prominently display CMS HCC version 24, CMS HCC version 28, and RX HCC codes, which signals a direct link to the diagnosis code. Flags also denote age, gender, and maternity linkage to diagnosis code, along with the classification of the diagnosis code as chronic or acute, and its association with major critical conditions. In the additional details section, a breakdown shows applicable to includes 7th character note, use additional code also, excludes 1, excludes 2, notes, and related medications, providing a comprehensive understanding of the diagnosis code. It also has the back reference functionality, which enhances navigational efficiency by allowing you seamless access to related information. You can navigate through the options by tabbing to the suggested items. Once you've found the relevant one, press the Enter button, or use the mouse to make your selection. Bold suggested items are for having additional suggestions when selected. If you encounter more suggested items, the system will continue offering alternatives until the correct diagnosis code is found, and other ones will take you directly to the code page, providing detailed information about the diagnosis. To speed up the process, you can input acronyms or abbreviations directly into the search bar, or you have the option to enter a specific diagnosis code, for example E1122 or E119, directly into the search bar for immediate access. You can easily download the information using the download button given above. It's that easy. For further information about the tool and access, you can do the same as described on our website, www.icd10cm-codes.com.